Recommended for ages 15 months plus, holds up to 50 pounds. Features 2 attached guardrails. Uses a standard crib mattress, sold separately. Sturdy steel frame and high-quality plastic construction. Assembled dimensions, 53.94 L by 29.13 W x 26.18 H inches. Easy assembly. JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful bed. Took a while to put together because my excited toddler wanted to play and tug the pieces away from me both. I absolutely love it. We are in a family shelter and they had only a crib which my duagther hates. I decided to purchase a bed since she's almost 2 and I wanted her to be as comfortable as possible. No regrets. She loves it and sleeps in it all night. I bought it open box, new, for a cheaper price.